Adding complex synonyms to your vocabulary is a fantastic method to improve your language abilities. Employing precise synonyms contributes to improved descriptive language, professionalism, and communication clarity. This is a list of some key synonyms that might help you expand your vocabulary. It includes definitions and examples for advanced English language learners. 1. Amazing. Synonyms: astounding, astonishing, breathtaking, remarkable. Examples: astounding, the magician's performance was absolutely astounding. Astonishing, the speed at which technology advances is astonishing. Breathtaking, the view from the mountain top was breathtaking. Remarkable, her ability to remember names is quite remarkable. Explanation: these synonyms can replace the overused amazing to add more variety and depth to your descriptions. 2. Important. Synonyms: crucial, vital, essential, significant. Examples: crucial, it is crucial to submit your application before the deadline. Vital, water is vital for all known forms of life. Essential, good communication skills are essential in any job. Significant, the research yielded significant results. Explanation: using these synonyms can highlight the importance of something with more precision and impact. 3. Interesting. Synonyms: fascinating, engaging, captivating, intriguing. Examples: fascinating, the documentary on marine life was fascinating. Engaging, the speaker gave an engaging presentation. Captivating, the novel's plot was captivating from start to finish. Intriguing, she had an intriguing idea for a new project. Explanation: these words can make your statements more dynamic and captivating to your audience. 4. Happy. Synonyms: elated, jubilant, overjoyed, ecstatic. Examples: elated, he was elated to hear the good news. Jubilant, the team was jubilant after winning the championship. Overjoyed, she was overjoyed with her promotion. Ecstatic, they were ecstatic about their upcoming vacation. Explanation: these synonyms convey varying levels of happiness, allowing you to express joy more accurately. 5. Sad. Synonyms: despondent, mournful, melancholy, dismal. Examples: despondent, she felt despondent after the loss of her pet. Mournful, the mournful melody filled the room. Melancholy, he had a melancholy look in his eyes. Dismal, the weather was dismal, matching his mood. Explanation: these words can help you describe different shades of sadness with more nuance. 6. Bad. Synonyms: dreadful, appalling, atrocious, horrendous. Examples: dreadful, the service at the restaurant was dreadful. Appalling, the conditions in the factory were appalling. Atrocious, his spelling was atrocious. Horrendous, the traffic was horrendous this morning. Explanation: these synonyms provide stronger, more specific alternatives to the general term bad. 7 good synonyms: excellent, superb, outstanding, impeccable. Examples: excellent, she did an excellent job on the project. Superb, the meal was superb. Outstanding, he received an award for his outstanding performance. Impeccable, her taste in fashion is impeccable. Explanation: these words allow you to express varying degrees of quality, enhancing your positive descriptions. 8 smart synonyms: intelligent, astute, shrewd, sagacious. Astute, his astute observations helped solve the case. Shrewd, she made a shrewd investment in the stock market. Examples: intelligent, she is one of the most intelligent students in her class. Sagacious, the sagacious leader guided the company through difficult times. Explanation: these synonyms can describe different kinds of intelligence and cleverness. 9 fast synonyms: rapid, swift, expeditious, fleet. Examples: rapid, the company experienced rapid growth. Swift, she gave a swift response to the query. Expeditious, we need an expeditious solution to this problem. Fleet, the fleet-footed runner won the race. Explanation: these alternatives can help you describe speed in various contexts with greater precision. 10. Slow synonyms: leisurely, sluggish, deliberate, unhurried. Examples: leisurely, they took a leisurely stroll in the park. Sluggish, he felt sluggish after the heavy meal. Deliberate, she made a deliberate effort to be thorough. Unhurried, his unhurried approach to life was refreshing. Explanation: these words provide a range of options to describe different kinds of slowness. Using these advanced synonyms can significantly elevate your level of vocabulary. Remember, the more varied your vocabulary, the more effective and persuasive your communication will be.